Hi everyone, for today's video, I would like to show you how to remove the maintenance required light for your Toyota vehicle. The car I'm using is a Toyota Corolla LE 2005, but the procedure should be the same for most Toyota engine. Okay, so if you see a maintenance required light, that means that you need to do an oil change, and also you need to perform certain inspection as well, depending on the mileage of your vehicle. So you want to check the owner's manual on what inspection do you need to do, or what other things that you need to do in addition to the oil change when you see a maintenance required light. But most of the time it's just going to be oil change and tire rotation. So let me show you how to remove this maintenance light right now. So you can see in the odometer you have a trip meter right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be holding that. So turn off the engine first. What you want to do is push that trip meter and hold it, and then you want to turn the key back on. When you turn it on, don't start it, just put it on the on position. So I'll do that, and you're gonna see the odometer is like flashing. Okay, then it's now 0. Just let it go. Now you can see that the maintenance light is now gone. So when I start my engine, maintenance light's gone. So that's how you reset your maintenance required light for your Toyota vehicle. I hope that this video helped you, and please make sure to click the like and subscribe button to help my channel. Thank you for watching.